Hi guys, welcome to CS Techies. Today we're gonna see how to solve mobile number error message in Google Sheets. So we just press Control H. You will get find and replace option. So in every error we have an is equal to. So it means it is thinking it's an formula. So we'll try to remove that. So is equal to and plus we have. So just find it and see if we have anything. So we are not having anything. So how do we do it? So it is a simple trick. So you have to check mark this. Also search within formulas. So you have all this. So it will be shown directly here. So you can see now. And what do you want to replace it with? Nothing. So I'll just replace it with empty space. Okay. Replace all. So I didn't select this sheet. So in this sheet, replace all. It'll be done. So now I hope I solved your problem. So please like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys.